Today I am reviewing Ninja Crispi 4-in-1 portable glass air fryer. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. Today, we're diving into a product that has been getting a lot of attention in the kitchen appliance world, the Ninja Crispi 4-in-1 portable glass air fryer cooking system in cyberspace gray, model FN101GY. This compact yet powerful system promises to bring the performance of a full-sized air fryer into a portable design, and after looking closely at what it offers, it's clear why so many people are excited about it. First, let's talk about what you actually get in the box. The system includes the Ninja Crispi PowerPod, a 4-quart clean crisp glass container, a 6-cup smaller container, and 2 leak-proof storage lids. You also get crisper plates and an adapter that allows you to use the PowerPod with a larger container. All of this nests together neatly, making storage incredibly simple and space-efficient, a feature many kitchen gadgets fail to deliver. Now, the standout here is absolutely the Crispi PowerPod. Despite its compact size, it brings 1,500 watts of cooking power, which is the same level you'd expect from a full-sized air fryer. This means you're not sacrificing performance for portability. The PowerPod can reach temperatures as high as 450 degrees Fahrenheit, giving you a wide range of cooking options. And speaking of options, the Ninja Crispi is a 4-in-1 system, so it's not just an air fryer. It allows you to air fry, bake, re-crisp, and use the Max Crisp function for extra crunchy results. That versatility is fantastic if you want one tool that can handle a variety of meals without cluttering your countertop with multiple appliances. The 2 included containers are designed for different needs. The smaller 6-cup container is ideal for quick personal meals. In fact, it can cook a serving in as little as 7 minutes. Perfect if you're in a rush or just want something small without heating up your entire kitchen. The larger 4-quart container, on the other hand, can fit something substantial, like a 4-pound chicken with veggies, making it great for family dinners or meal prep. Another big selling point is the non-toxic TempWare glass containers. Unlike many traditional air fryers that use non-stick coatings which can wear down over time, Ninja has designed these containers to be PFAS and PTFE-free. That means you don't have to worry about forever chemicals leaching into your food. On top of that, these containers are microwave-safe, freezer-safe, and dishwasher-safe, giving you more flexibility for cooking, storing, reheating, and cleaning. The build quality is also worth mentioning. The containers are thermal shock resistant, so you don't have to worry about cracking when moving them from hot to cold environments. And thanks to the permanently fixed heat-safe feet, you can place the system safely on a variety of surfaces, whether it's granite, laminate, quartz, butcher block, or marble, without any risk of heat damage. One of my favorite features has to be the leak-proof lids. These lids snap securely in place, so if you want to take your food on the go, you don't have to worry about spills. Combined with the glass containers, this turns the Ninja Crispi into not just a cooking system, but also a practical food storage solution. In terms of usability, the system is designed with simplicity in mind. You have a touch control panel that allows you to adjust temperature and time easily, and it includes automatic shutoff, programmable cooking, and timer features, which make it beginner-friendly yet still powerful for experienced home cooks. Cleaning is another area where this system shines. Since the containers, lids, crisper plates, and adapter are all dishwasher-safe, you don't have to spend time scrubbing after cooking. That makes it a convenient choice for people with busy lifestyles who want delicious, crispy meals without the mess. Now, let's briefly touch on performance. With over 3,200 customer reviews averaging 4.6 out of 5 stars, the feedback is overwhelmingly positive. Users highlight how quickly it cooks, how crispy the results are, and how useful the different container sizes are for both quick meals and family portions. Finally, let's talk about size and design. Measuring 13.38 inches deep, 11.96 inches wide, and 13.58 inches high, it's compact enough for small kitchens, dorms, or even RVs. The cyberspace gray color gives it a modern, sleek look that blends well with most kitchen styles. In summary, the Ninja Crispi 4-in-1 portable glass air fryer cooking system manages to pack the power of a full-sized air fryer into a compact, portable form factor without cutting corners. With its non-toxic glass containers, versatile cooking modes, easy storage, and dishwasher-safe components, it's a system designed for both convenience and performance. Whether you're cooking for yourself or preparing meals for the family, this unit adapts to your needs while keeping cleanup simple.